Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Ferrari. This two-door coupe has a 12-cylinder, 6.3-liter V12 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ferrari is a steal with less than 7,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 11 miles per gallon in the city, and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.